PyConWeb is actually a special Python conference.
You meet a lot of amazing people. This is a very warm and welcoming environment.
You can also learn how to do things better.
You get a lot of amazing ideas.
It's a lot of fun always.
That is the main thing, right?
Getting people all together to talk about what they do and what they like.
Meeting like-minded people, people that do the same work.
Professional development of individuals.
It's a great opportunity either to go there or to speak at the conference.
Networking is crucial.
This is an opportunity for us to meet each other in person.
To also see the social side of the technical job.
To get more people into the community, right? That's very important.
As you can see, PyConWeb is not just about Python. It's the atmosphere, it's the vibe, and above all, the people who make it so special. So why don't you join us and let's make this adventure even more epic!